How to open a savings account online with Discover Bank on desktop. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, type down open a savings account online with Discover Bank. Now scroll down and there you will get to see open an online account option available by the official website of Discover Bank, and simply tap on it. Now there you can see open an account option available. Tap on it and you will get to see options available from the drop down menu there. Tap on the online savings account and review account features, and all you have to do is fill out the application form. Now you will be asked if you are a new customer or the old one. Simply tap on any according to your preferences, and now enter your personal informations: full name, date of birth, social security number, employment and financial information, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.